know. It's giving orange. Uh, Hello everybody, how you guys doing? I hope you're doing amazing. My name is Beltine. If this is your first time, welcome. I hope you click that subscribe button so you can watch my content. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. For my hobbies, thank you so much for always sticking around, for your support. I am so appreciative of you. Thank you so much. Today we have something different, and that is I am going to be bleaching my hair. Yes, I'm going for like a blonde, ash blonde kind of look. We're gonna see how it turns out. But I have dyed my hair in the past, but mostly used box style. So today I'm gonna be using bleach. Again, I have 4C hair. It is really thick. And prior to me starting, I did wash my hair so I could wash off the oils that were there. That way, the products, the hair can take well to the product kind of. I can get like the color that I want without the oil on my hair interrupting. So I had to wash my hair. So it's a freshly washed hair. As you can see, I have a 4C hair. And I'm not, disclaimer, I'm not an expert. I've watched a couple of videos on YouTube, several videos to say. And one lesson I've gotten from there is that we all have different textures and products will react differently to our hair. So the steps I'm going to be doing today might not work for you 100%. Just try and see what your hair is going to like, right? So this is what I'm going to be doing today. My hair is really thick, so I'm going to be using maybe a lot more products so you can get to all the strands of my hair. So for today, I'm going to be using the BW2 bleach powder, and this is going to be with the 30 volume developer. I'm going to be needing, if I have to tone my hair, like if the color I get after bleaching is perfect, I'm just going to wash it with my Shimmer light purple shampoo, and that will be it. If not, I'll have to go with the Wella T18 and a 20 volume developer to tone the hair. I'm going to be needing a plastic bowl and a plastic spoon. I couldn't find my brush, so I'm using a plastic spoon. Make sure the bowl and the spoon or whatever thing you're using is plastic, not like silver or aluminum, plastic. So we're going to be needing a form of Vaseline or ointment just to protect the edges of our hair. That way it does not like get any reaction. And again, prior to you using like bleach powder or anything, make sure you're not allergic to anything. So test it before using. What else? You're going to need some gloves to protect your hands. Personally, I'm going to be using my hands to put it because my hair is too thick and I want it to get to the roots, like everywhere. I'm going to need a plastic bag to cover my hair. Please don't get under a dryer. Please just use a plastic bag or a shower cap if you have any. So without further ado, let's get started. I hope I'm not missing anything, but God help us so we can get this right. Amen. So far with the mixture, I used 4 scoops of powder and 3 scoops of 30 volume developer. As you can see, the mixture is too thick. So I went ahead and added 1 extra scoop of developer, making it 4 scoops of powder, 4 scoops of 30 volume developer. The reason why I use 4 scoops was because my hair is really thick, so I wanted to have enough product. I do not want to go after a mix. No, it's better to have more than have little during this process. So as you can see, that is how it ended up looking like. It was not too runny, it was not too thick. and it made the application way easier. So yeah, that is what we got. Again, 4 scoops of powder and 4 scoops of developer. Let's go ahead and apply that. So guys, I am done mixing it. This is how it looks. This is the consistency. And you want to make sure you apply that fast on your head. So right now I'm just putting on my gloves. Again, as I said, I'm going to use my hand because I want it to get to all the strands of my hair. So I'm using a bit of Vaseline to just like protect the front part of my hair, as well as the sides and the back. Okay. So once that is done, I'll just go ahead and start applying this to my hair. And I'm going to start like right the front part of my hair, because like it takes longer here than the back. So let's get started. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm going to pause it here, and then I'm going to apply the rest of my hair. I will come back and show you once I'm done applying this on my hair, okay? So guys, I'm already done applying the product to my hair. As you can see, I just want to put this back. I already set the timer. Right now it's at 39 minutes and some seconds. So this is the back. Hopefully I got the back, I hope. So this is how the back looks. And yeah, I'm just gonna put this on and let it sit for the rest of the minute, and then we'll come back and wash it off. Okay? So I just have it sitting. It's not too tight, you know. Alright, so I'm just gonna let it sit again 40 minutes. My timer has been running. Right now it's at 38 minutes, and we're gonna wait, but I'm gonna be checking in between to make sure everything looks okay. But we'll get there. We'll get there. Hopefully I'll get the color I want, because I don't really want to go to the level of toner. Hopefully I can get that color that I want. But I'll be back to show you what we have after 40 minutes. So guys, let's look at my hair. It's like 30 minutes already, so I want to show you how it looks. I'll probably just go wash it now. Ooh, look at my hair. I don't think I'm gonna be needing, like, I don't know how the back looks. I think I'll go wash it now. As you can see. Gosh, I hope I was able to get the back hole. Yeah. So right now is 7 more minutes to go, so I think I'll just go wash it right now, and then use the purple shampoo to wash the hair, and then from there we're gonna see if we're gonna use a toner or not. I don't really want to use a toner, but let me wash it and see how it's gonna look like after the purple shampoo. So I'll get back here once I'm done using the purple shampoo to show you how the hair looks like, and we'll go from there, okay? So guys, instead of putting the purple shampoo up and then showing you the hair, I just wanted to show you after washing it. That way you see how it looks before I use the purple shampoo, right? So I already washed it, as you can tell from here. Let's see. This is how my hair looks. I don't know. I don't know. It's just too orange. But this is the back. I don't know if I have any dark spots or not, but I'll see. But this is how it looks. I feel like it took well. Like, I don't really see any dark spots so far. So right now I just have my hair washed and dry. I'll just put the purple shampoo and see if it does anything. If not, we'll just go ahead and and tone it. So I'm using the Shimmer Light Purple Shampoo. I'm just gonna put it over my head and then we're gonna go from there. Okay, I'll come back after putting it and then washing it, and I'll let you know. So I have my hair saturated with the purple shampoo at this time. I put a generous amount, making sure it covers all my hair strands. And as you can see, that's what it is. And this is my hair after it was washed. I don't really see any difference with the way it was before. It's still giving me kind of yellow, orange color or something in between. But again, one thing I'm happy is that I do not have any dark roots. Everything was lifted like evenly. So I'm happy with that. This is how my hair looks. As you can see, the ends of it was a little bit wide, but I'll explain that later. But this is the side, the back, and that's how it looks. Let's go ahead and tone this hair using our Wella T18 and a 20 volume developer. Let's get into the mixture.
Sunshine shining, feeling so fine, dancing to the rhythm, like no one's watching in the night. The beat is bumping, taking me higher, letting go of all my worries. I'm on fire, hips swaying, moving to the groove, feeling the rhythm. My body's in the mood with every step. I'm feeling so alive, just like the summer breeze. I'm ready to thrive. Let's dance all night, under the moonlight, feeling so free. Summer vibes, that's the way it's meant to be. Stars shining bright in the summer sky, lost in the moments as the hours fly by, with friends around and laughter in the air. Summer vibes everywhere, we got no cares. Let's dance all night, under the moonlight, feeling so free. Summer vibes, that's the way it's meant to be. Barefoot on the sand, with the waves rolling in, singing along to the songs of the wind. As the bonfire crackles and sparks fill the air, we're making memories that we'll always share. It's swaying, let's dance all night, under the moonlight, feeling so free. Summer vibe, that's the way it's meant to be.
So I just completed the mixture. I just followed the instruction that was on the packaging. Was so like 1:2. That's in every one toner. You get 2 scoops or 2 bottles, as I've measured in the video of the developer. So that's what I did, and then I just apply that all over my hair. Again, I was just hoping it's gonna be enough because I have thick hair. But thank God the mixture was just enough and I had it all over my hair. So yeah, let's go ahead and apply that and we're gonna see how it looks at the end of the day.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you, and I'm down for you always. KB, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you, need you.
You should let me love you. Let me be the one to.
So we're done putting the toner on the hair and I already washed it, and let's take a look. This is my hair, guys. I know some spots are white. Again, as I said, we have different strands, to be honest, on our hair. So this is how it looks. I'm happy for the fact that like I don't have any dark spots. I feel like I targeted like all of it. So right now I'm just gonna put in this on my hair by Shea Moisture, just to moisturize my hair, and I'm gonna be using this one too for my hair, and this to style my hair. So
underneath the setting sun, feel the rhythm, feel the fun. Take my hand, let's dance away. Tomorrow's just another day. We move, we groove, no time to waste. The music's got us in the daze. Let's feel alive, let's feel the heat. Afrobeat moves my feet. Setting sun, feel the rhythm, feel the fun. Take my hand, let's dance away. Tomorrow's just another day. We move, we groove, no time to waste. The music's got us in the daze. Let's feel alive, let's feel the heat. Afrobeat moves my feet. We move, we groove, no time to waste. The music's got us in the daze. Let's feel alive.
so this is the finished look. I'm going to show you. Let me take you like outside on natural light. And let's look at it. I am back and this is the finished look. Let me know what you think. Again, I used a toner on my hair. I left it for 7 minutes. I know the instruction says 30 minutes, but I didn't want it to be too white or gray. So I went ahead and I washed it off early. And this is what it looks like. I really love the color. This is the front. This is the side. This is the back. And this is the side, other side. So what I did when I was done, I like washed it as I showed you earlier. I used my leave-in conditioner and my shea butter just so it can like hydrate my hair. You know, after bleaching, your hair usually gets dry. Always make sure you keep it moisturized at all times. And again, you see like some of my strands were a little bit white. Like prior to me like leaving my hair to this state, it was relaxed. So I cut it off and just let the new growth. So this little spot where you see was like white. I think those were the like damaged ends, I would say. But it is what it is. It turned out good. So I'll be leaving all the measurements and time in the description box. Be sure to check that out if you want to try and follow the steps. And I hope you get the same result or maybe something close, because we all have different curl patterns, different textures and more, so they react differently to products. So just try what works for you, okay? Watch other videos and yeah, take your time. Always make sure you test, make sure you're not allergic to anything for putting anything on your hair or your body, okay? Thank you guys so much for sticking with me and for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. And before I leave, make sure you show love to one another. We want the world to become a better place, and it starts with us. Showing love to our neighbors, our friends, our family members, and loving ourselves more. So stay safe, be kind. Bye bye.